Hello everyone, I'm going to share with you today how you can plug in your hot water into two washers. In other words, how you can hook up two washers into one outlet. As you see, there is a cold water coming, that's a hot water coming. The hot water, I put the splitter, I went to Home Depot and that's about $5. So I got the splitter, I put one end here, one end on other side. It also has a good thing, has a valves underneath. You can close these valves also. And once you run this back of the washer, this is the how plugged my hot water here, the black pipe coming from there, and that's my cold water. The gray one, I took it out, run through to the other washer. And on my second washer, I put it right up here. So that's how easy you can fix your problem. If you have a two washer, need to hook up to one connection, just buy one splitter. Thank you.